How to change your location on your X profile, formerly known as Twitter. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the X app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change your location on your profile, you need to go to the settings. Here in this home page, at the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on this. Now select the settings and support option in the bottom. Again, tap on the settings and privacy option. Once you're in the settings page, choose this your account section at the top. Now select this account information. In this page, you'll find all the information about your accounts. In order to change your location, over here you can see this country option. Tap on this. Now you can select your preferred country from here. You can change your location to a different country. Select your country, just tap on it, and tap on this agree and continue button. Next up, in this page you can see this precise location option. If you enable this feature, your location will be set according to your device location. You can select accordingly. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on this agree button. And there you go, your country location has been changed. So that's how you can easily change the location in your X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.